All right, here it is. This is what you could expect to get when you order the folding rack. One long box, not too heavy. And then these two other ones, clearly labeled Fray Fitness on the boxes. Insane speed. I ordered it on Sunday. Today is Thursday, and I got it already. I don't know how they did it, but all right, let's get ready to unbox it and start getting it put together. Let's do this. Tools you'll probably need: pencil, stud finder, tape measure, level, couple wrenches, Allen wrench with a what is this, a 19? Yep, a 19, I don't know what, a drill with a 3/8 bit, possibly a 3/4 spade bit, possibly a hammer with nails. So because the concrete right here in my garage sticks out further, I had to build this little contraption here so that when I put the plywood there, I could have a wall that's flush with the concrete, have one straight flush wall. All right, so I ended up getting the stringers. This is extra. You don't need these. I feel like they help, or really they just look cool. If you want to save some extra cash and not use the stringers, you could always just use a piece of plywood, you know, screw it up there and just use a piece of wood as a stringer. Alright, so there it is. Spotter arms. Everything's pretty solid. Nice and safe. Looks really good. I like it. Cups. So the other company's claim to fame is that you could easily just put it up. So this one takes, you know what, I was even missing a lock right here. So this is going to be my first time ever putting it away. So I don't even know which way to go. Pull-up bar, by the way, I'm 6'4", and I'm fully stretched out here. Real easy to do a pull-up. So, taking this out, take off the safety pin. Make sure you're holding on to it, because as soon as I take this out, it's going to fall. Or get ready to fall. Oh. I mentioned this was my first time, right? Take this out. What's next, I guess? These safety pins. Safety pins, or locking pins, I would assume they're called. And then I gotta arrange these rubber mats. Maybe it's better to go out. And that's it. It's pretty cool. Takes a little longer, but I'm here to work out, not to be lazy.